Well, yesterday started out like many days, leaving a campground, saying goodbye to some nice people that I met, um, and getting on the road. And that was about the nicest part of the day. Got into Lincoln City, which turns out to be a really unfriendly, bike friendly, well, not a bike friendly city at all. Kind of a dirty town, not very nice, no bike lanes, narrow roads, people honking, and you get the Neanderthals who like to ride by in their diesel pickup trucks and blow black smoke at cyclists. Just a really crummy city. And so I was going to try to make it to Cape Lookout for the night, but once I got onto the bypass, I realized that it was not going to be an easy ride. Talked to a local. He said it's a pretty steep ride. He was surprised that the Oregon Department of Transportation suggests cyclists take that route. So I decided not to go to Cape Lookout and just find a place to stealth camp. Was taking this bypass road, hoping to get back to the 101, and couldn't really find any place to stealth camp. Everything was private property, no trespassing. But I did notice on the map some camp areas, so I went to that area, and it was national park, some sort of sand dunes, national park type thing. So ended up pitching a tent there, and about 10:30 last night is when we got in and were able to get set up, and got out of there actually right as the sun was coming out. I just wanted to get on the road, get back to the 101. I didn't really want to be on that bypass, and it turned out to be a good decision. Good ride so far. And I see why a lot of the cyclists who are touring start so early, just to avoid a lot of traffic. It's quieter, cooler, and so went through a lot of dairy farms area, saw a lot of cows, made it back to the 101, and about 14 miles so far today, came across the rest area. So the dogs got a good walk, took care of their business. I took care of mine. Surprisingly, I was surprised to see this, since it's the second rest area I've seen on the 101 since entering Oregon. But we've got about 5 miles till we get to a town called Tillamook. Hopefully they'll have maybe a laundromat so I can do some laundry, pick up a few things before heading out to the next campground area, where I plan on taking a couple days just to rest. My legs are they've had it. My right Achilles heel is just really hurting. So I'm going to take some time and maybe 2 days to rest. And then we'll be in Astoria, Oregon for the 4th of July, right on the border with Washington State. So that's the update. That's where we are. Gonna get on the road before it gets too busy. Oregon has stolen my heart. Especially the area north of Lincoln City. It's just a gorgeous area. Love the little towns. Came up from San Diego.
Okay.
Ah. I've got 2 dogs in there. 2 puppies. I'm going, yes, to the campground.
Okay.
But I came from San Diego up. All right. Be safe. Oh, okay. Bye-bye. This is the town of Wheeler, Oregon.